Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install contact form 7 on your website, and you can create a form like what you're seeing on the screen so that people will come to your website, they can just fill a form and then you receive it for whatever information you want them to submit to you. Okay, so this is how to do it. Actually, this is the an older form I did earlier. If you come here, let me just show you. If you go to my contact page, I deleted it, so the form is no longer showing. It was supposed to be here, but it's no longer there. But I want to show you when I finish. I'll just come and put it here so I can see how it will look like. Okay, now if so, you just log into the admin dashboard, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and then come to plugins. So under plugins, you click on add new plugin. Then you come here and type contact form 7. So this is contact form 7. So just click on it. Then after that, you click on activate. Now, contact form 7 is installed. So you click on settings. So when you get to settings, you will normally have a default form that is there. And the name is here is contact form 1. So I want to create a new form. So I want you to come here and click on add new and name it as, for my own, I'm naming it as book consultation form. Then these are the descriptions. So here we will have a label. So there will be a label that will be your name. Another one will be your email. Another one will be subject. Another one will be your message. Then the last part is what? Submit. So this is how the form will look like. I can customize this to look like the way I want it. But for now, I'll leave it the way it is. Then I will come to the email setting. So when they submit this form, it will come to my email. I want it to come to my email. So how do I do that? So you come to the mail, and then you will have here, we have 2. They're asking you to which particular email. And so here, you put the email that you want to receive the messages. Normally, as you can see, it says site-admin email. So by default, it will be sent to the site admin email. So you can copy the email that you want it to be used and then put it here. For the from, they are talking about when the message comes, how it will look like. So it says site title dash this. So the site title in this case will be the name of your website. So here, you can copy the name of your website. So let me just so I've added the name of my website, then subject. So the subject here is the headline, whatever you want it to be there. So for example, so you can put something like, so for here, it says site title, then your subject. So you can put something like, you can put your website name there. and then form submitted. So you can put something like this. In fact, this one, you can do it whichever way you want. You can even say form submitted from, then you put your website name there. Then you come here and click on save. Then come back here. Let me show you something. This particular place, all the information that you see, you can still add more. Example, if you want to add email, URL, text, whatever information that you want to add, you can just click here and then add it. So if there is something that has not been added, then if you want to add something like a quiz, you can click on add it. If you want to add something like file, you can click and add a space for that. So you can add anything that you actually want. Then after that, if you are okay with everything that is here, now you copy. I will later just follow carefully. I will show you how to add how to connect a thank you page to it so that when someone submits it, you will know. But for now, I just want us to test and see whether the form is there. The form is reflecting on the side. So you copy this short code. Then you come to your WordPress site, especially where you want the form to appear. So let me refresh it and we see. Okay. So the form wouldn't have appeared, but earlier on, I put a space here for the form to appear. So because I just did it, that's why they've put it there. Now, so if you come here, let's say you were not having an old form, a space for a form. So you have to come and click on edit with Elementor. Then when you come here, wherever you want the form to appear, you just click on add. Say, let me put it at the bottom here. So when you come here, you type short. If you come and you don't see the space, you can just click on the plus, and then you leave the space the way you want the space to be. Then you come here and type short code. So this one will show. So you copy and you drag it and drop it here. So when you drop it, you come here and paste the short code you copied. So you see, so the form will just appear there, and then you click on update. So when you update it, it will take effect. Now, after you do it, we just want to try and see if we can submit one form. Let me just try submitting it. So I'll refresh it. Okay. Let me check whether the email that I want is the one that is actually there. Okay. That's the one that is there. So you click on submit. Say thank you for your message. It has been sent. Now I want to show you how to redirect any form that has been submitted to the thank you page. So example, I want that when people fill the form, it will direct them to this page that message submitted. Thank you for contacting us. We'll be in touch with you within 24 hours. Now, you have to first of all create the thank you page if you haven't done that. So I have done a video earlier on how to create a thank you page. Check the link in the description of this video, and you will see that video on how to create a thank you page. So after you have created a thank you page, then you copy this. Let me just copy it and let me show you. I'll leave this code in the description of this video so that you can follow to copy it. So you copy something like this. This is the part where you added. So I'm copying only that script. So you copy it. Okay, so I was here. So I'll click on enter so that it will go down a bit. Okay, let me just leave it here. Then I'll now come and then paste this one here. So this one has my thank you link. So from the HTTP to the you will have to come and copy that URL from your website and then come and paste it. Then you paste it in place of this. Then you click on save. So in that case, when someone comes to the site, and then let me refresh it and fill the form. So when I submit the form, it hasn't taken me to the thank you page. So let me check and see if I have saved it. Maybe I didn't save it successfully. So let me save it again. Good. It was not initially submitting, so I came and just refresh. I saved this one again. I'm sure it didn't take effect. And then I also cleared my cache. Then I'm just trying to submit another one again. Let's see. Yeah, so the form has been submitted. This is a thank you page indicating that I have submitted the form. Now you check the inbox of the email that you have put here to confirm that your messages are being received and your form is ready for use. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.